So you need a car for the hustle and bustle of life? Kids, carpools, chaos, oh my! Here at Edmunds, we think an SUV could be your answer. If you're thinking about one but don't know where to start, this is for you. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel and be sure to visit Edmunds.com to find your next car. So what goes into Edmunds rankings? First, our test team puts each vehicle through a rigorous workout and logs their capabilities, spaciousness, and efficiency. Then we score them in dozens of categories, add up all the points, and voila, our top rankings list. It's the best of the best models we've tested to date. They say the best things come in small packages. That's why I'm starting with the little guys. Extra small SUVs. They're like when potato chip brands thought they were really fooling us with snack size. Unfortunately, I ate like 4 of these in one sitting. Anyway, there's quite a few compact SUVs that we hail as pretty impressive. The CX-30 and the Trailblazer, but our very top pick in this category is the 2022 Volkswagen Taos, starting at just a smidge over $20,000. Volkswagen used to be known for offering excellent small sedans, but then they went into their secret car think tank vault to reimagine their fleet, and poof! The Taos landed on planet Earth. Why we like it? It's got great comfort and the interior is one of the best in its class. It's also one of the biggest. The fuel economy is pretty good and the tech inside is pretty sick. It's got a punchy beat sound system that delivers more bass than a Bone Thugs reunion concert. The small SUV, known as the just right size vehicle. If you're an Edmunds superfan, you know that the Honda CR-V has been our favorite small SUV for years. But it's finally been edged out of the top spot. In this category, you'll find the Mazda CX-5, the Hyundai Tucson, but it's the brand new 2023 Mazda CX-50 that's kicked the CR-V to the curb and stands as our pick for the best in this class. It's sold alongside the existing CX-5, which I know is a bit of an odd situation, having 2 similar SUVs competing in the same class. But there are enough differences to justify each. The CX-50 has a slightly more rugged look with its more pronounced fenders and slimmer grille. It also offers improved off-road and towing capabilities compared to the CX-5, and it's on our list for best small SUV because of its engaging handling, spaciousness, elevated interior, and overall look. Now keep in mind that handling also gives it a firmer ride. Mazdas tend to be among the best driving models in their class, and the CX-50 is no different. This list keeps on leveling up, and next is the 2022 Honda Passport, which tops our list for best midsize SUV. Now, years ago, Honda added the Passport to its family of SUVs to bridge the gap between the compact CR-V and the midsize 3-row Pilot. Essentially, the Passport is a shorter version of the Pilot. Now, it doesn't have a 3rd-row seat, but it does have a more rugged look and a bit more off-roading capability. It makes our list because it's cost-efficient, spacious, and an enjoyable ride. The Passport also offers enough ground clearance and an available all-wheel drive system for camping excursions or iffy and just downright unpleasant weather situations. It always seems to come at the wrong time. If you have a growing family, have a lot of gear to move, or I don't know, have a zoo's worth of dogs to haul around, then a 3-row midsize SUV is likely your jam. And the Telluride has been our top rated SUV for 3 years in a row. It's super popular and understandably so, with its smooth ride quality, luxury-like interior, and a 3rd row that can comfortably fit large adults. Starting under $35,000, and it can comfortably seat 8 people, the largest in Kia's lineup, another reason why it's on our list. Now you think 8 people is impressive? Try that number plus, say, a dog, double the cargo space, and a partridge in a pear tree. Then voila! You've got the 2022 Chevy Suburban, our top pick for the best large SUV. Yes, it looks mysterious on the outside. Please, no paparazzi, no pictures. But on the inside, it's so much more. We like it because of the space. It's like a never-ending tunnel. Hello! Seriously though, starting out, there's more than 40 cubic feet. Fold that third row down, and you've got over 90. The Suburban has a smooth ride, impressive tech, and decent MPG given its size. We're just moving right along. Our next group of cars, going a bit after 5 with it, are all of our luxury choices. And it seems I'm a bit underdressed. That's better. I'm not a regular driver. I'm a cool driver. We're starting out with our luxury subcompact. Now, if we're talking posh cars, I'm sure you could just guess a few brands on our list. But today, there could only be one top extra small luxury SUV, darling. And that for us is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB. The performance on this car is top-notch. And we love the comfort level of the seats. I mean, hello, they have like a massage function. I mean, who cares about that micromanaging, stressful boss when you can hop in one of these after work? Okay, seriously, you might want to talk to your therapist about that too. Oh, I'm sorry. I got lost there for a moment. Okay, aside from it being an overall pleasant ride, this GLB also has great storage space for its size, able to accommodate big and bulky objects. If you know the lush life, then you've obviously spent a day or two in the spa, which means you have something in common with the GLB creators as well as its contender in the next class, the 2022 Genesis GV70, stunting some pretty comfortable and adjustable seats with heating, ventilation, and that wonderful massage feature. Nonetheless, this all-new small luxury SUV is on our list and is also one of our top-rated vehicles, frankly, because of its spacious interior, lots of cargo space, swift handling, and overall composed ride. And it costs thousands less than other luxury SUVs, which means you can party and keep up with the Joneses, but no one really has to know how much it costs you. For our next category, who left my Perrier in the dressing room? Amateurs. As I was saying, moving on to the best luxury midsize SUVs, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE. So I'm sure you've guessed, this is going to cost you a bit more than some of the others today. If you want more room, sophisticated tech, and you want to do it with flair, we think the GLE is a great choice. Fresh off the 2020 redesign, there's plenty of performance options available with the GLE and some off-roading, making it a fun ride. And that interior. Now I'm gonna read you exactly what our review says. The GLE's cabin is close to perfect. Close to perfect? Do we usually say that about any car, guys? Its quality and functional nature is really second to none, and it's pretty roomy. Lots of leg and headroom for everyone. So you want a bit more space, an extra row of seats, and you want to pull off the whole cool mom thing? My daughter's my best friend. Then we'd say the 2022 Audi Q7 is a great choice. It's on our list for the best 3-row midsize luxury SUV, and we love it because it's quiet, comfortable, and versatile. We like it so much that we've consistently ranked it our #1 model for this kind of SUV. The Q7 is one of the most comfortable vehicles in its class. The front seats are cushy and supportive for the long haul, and its standard suspension gives you a balanced and smooth ride. If you're not a techie though, you might get a little lost in the Q7's 2 touchscreen infotainment interface system. So many buttons. Finishing out our list with the best large luxury SUV is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS. When you're ready to buy the best Mercedes-Benz SUV, you can get the 3-row GLS awaits. It's all about maximum luxury, comfort, and convenience, like the Four Seasons on a cloud with Alfred at your disposal. Too far? It has new standard equipment like a 4-zone automatic climate control system and ventilated seats. From the interior and comfort to the tech, this SUV scores high for us in our testing because it's made with a lot of thought, sophistication, and care. And for as big as it is, the MPG is still quite impressive. Well, that was a wild ride. Pun fully intended there. Whether you decide to go with a subcompact Taos or glam it up with a Mercedes, every car on our list will give you great comfort, good space for its size, and keep you and your passengers content on the road for a long time. So if you really want an SUV that makes you happy, you should do one thing. Hop in and give it a go. And don't worry, we won't make you change your wardrobe. Did you know we have a top 10 for every category? So check out Edmunds.com no matter what kind of car, truck, or SUV you're searching for.